Hi YouTube, how y'all doing? Welcome back to my channel. How's everybody doing out there? I hope everybody's being great and everybody's being safe. As you guys can see in the title today, it is another Shein haul. I love Shein and I know you guys love Shein also because they're affordable site where you could get anything, literally anything you want. You could get it from Shein. So guys, I went over there, I copied a couple of things. It's not going to be a whole lot of long video today. It is pretty short and sweet. So you guys will see how I put it together. You guys will see the video over here while I just show you guys what it looks like. If you want to see what your girl got, why don't you stay tuned and keep on watching. But before So guys, this is the first purse that I got. It is so cute, guys. Do y'all see this? It is so gorgeous and so classy. It is this like tan color bag over here. It has all this quilted kind of thing on it. Oh my days, this is cute. It is cute to me, at least. I hope it is cute to y'all. And this is what the inside do look like. It has an extra zipper in the middle over here. Smell like kerosene, but I don't know. But it's such a cute bag. All you have to do is just clean it up, sanitize it, and all that good stuff. That's what the inside do look like. It has a black inside, and it comes with this extra strap if you want to carry it cross body or on your shoulder. But for me, I'll just carry it just like this. This is so cute, so chic, and so beautiful. Closer. Yes, y'all see it? That is what the bag looks like. It is very cute. Portable, small. It does have the studs at the bottom area. It is really cute, guys. So cute and so chic. Okay, y'all, this is the next bag. It's about the same color as the other one that I just showed you guys. But this right here, this is, I think this is from like their premium line. It is this one right over here. Do y'all see that? It does also have like a ripple effect on the sides going around it, and this is what the back looks like. And the best part of this purse is this detail right here, this tie detail. Oh my god, so cute and so chic. It might not be a lot of people's cup of tea, but this bag is so cute to me. This is what the inside looks like. It's pretty soft. It doesn't have any structure to it, but it's not that bad either. It has, yep, that's what the inside looks like. Don't just okay, this is what the inside looks like. It has an, yep, it is Shein premium, so it is pretty good, guys. Really, really good. It does have a zipper. Oh, hold on. Okay, it has an extra zipper storage in there, and it also have this extra 2 pouches over there on the inside, and it does come with a handle also, so if you want to carry crossbody or on your shoulder. But for me, as y'all know, it's always gonna be on my hand. This right here, guys, for me, this is so cute and so chic. It's carried it like that. So, oh my god. So cute. I just think it is so gorgeous. Like everything about it is giving me life, man. It is a cream color. So cute. So different, actually. Different from every other ones that I've gotten. So cute. Now let's get into the outfit. Okay guys, this is the first outfit. This is, they are both separately. This short right here, this orange short, I did pair both of them together so you guys will see the video on the side. I paired it with the short right over here, this bright ass orange. It is so bright. orange, and it has this 2 pocket over here. The string is very, very functional. So yeah, really cute, really nice. I got a size medium, which is a US 6 with them. Really cute. I know it does need a little bit of steaming because it's the linen material. So yeah, I know it needs a little bit of steaming, but yep, this is so cute. And then I got this bodysuit with it also. This bodysuit right here, it is white, so it might wash your girl out a little bit. So you guys will see right here on this side how it looks. But it is this white bodysuit. I also got it in a medium US 6. It has this puffy shoulder and has a little bit of detail like pleating kind of thing. And then the body of this bodysuit is something like this, and it's pretty stretchy. Not that much of a stretch, but it's stretchy enough. And then at the bottom, it looks like a full bottom bodysuit. And then it has the clamp over here where you clamp it together. So yeah, this is the first outfit that I got, and I think it's really cute on your girl. So guys, this is the next one that I got. It's just this little shirt over here. It's crop top shirt over there. The thing about it, understand, is this right here is doing nothing for anybody. It's just a waste of material, whatever that is, because the body fits pretty well, and I don't think that's necessary. It does have a arm where your arm goes in on the side, and then it's this it has those layered over there. It's flowery, good for the spring and also for the summer. Where high waist, I think I wore a high-waisted leather pants with this. It's just to try it on. I will actually wear it like that. It's pretty good. It covers everything, and it would be nice for like an evening outing, you know, with a flats or heels or whatever. I think this would really look cute with it. Okay guys, this is the next one. This right here, guys, guys, don't mind if you see makeup on it. When I put it on, shoo, it wasn't funny at all. This right here, I'm still debating if I want to take it back and get a large, which is a size 8. This is a size 6. The way it fit me, I'm loving it. The way it is on my body, really cute, really nice. But if I need to wear it either to a professional, I don't even think I can wear this in a professional area because it is pretty short, okay? So this right here is to be good for spring, those cold spring days. Oh my God. This, or those summer nights that is cold, this tweed dress will be really cute with it. I know you'll probably see makeup on it. Don't mind. Don't pay it any mind. It is this beautiful gray tweed material on the body with the buttons going down over here, and it also have the white sleeve on it and a crunchiness on it over here. This is such a beautiful dress. It does have a zipper on the side, and all those buttons just giving it life. I am in love, and it has a color on it. Really like this dress. Really love it. I can't complain about it. Okay y'all, this is the next one. This right here again. It is giving your girl life. This dress right here is thick though, really thick. This is definitely good for a spring that we're in right now. It has a zipper going all the way down on the back, and it has this like I move closer so you guys can see it. This right here, it's a little bit tighter on like the hand or whatever, is that what I'm gonna say. And it has an opening on the hand. You guys will see in the video, it has an opening on the hand right over here, make it look extra sexy. And it's a long sleeve, as you guys can see, and then it has a curve over there. Same thing on the other side. I love tweed. Is that how you pronounce it? I guess that's how I'm gonna pronounce it. I really love them. They're so classy and so Chanel-esque, whatever. But yeah, this is what this one look like. Very beautiful. It brings you in on the waist and it fits me perfectly well, like it was made for me. But the only thing is it's a little bit tight right around this thingy on the arm area. That's the only thing, but I could still rock it. All I have to just go to the gym and lose a couple of fats and I'll be all right. But yeah, this is what this one look like. Okay guys, this is the last dress that I got. It looks like this dress is so beautiful. It is this navy blue. It has yellow flowery cream thingy on it, v-neck and all. Like the chest is pretty cute, and it does have this little rope that you use to tie it at the back on it. I got it in a size small and it fit me perfectly well, and it has this crunchy thingy on the arm area. This is too cute for me. Like, it looks really cute, very conservative. The back looks like this right over here. It has this like a scrunchy elasticy thingy on it over here on the back. But this is too cute, too nice and beautiful. I did get a couple of other ones that just didn't fit, so I'm gonna return them. I'm not even gonna show you guys what those ones look like, but definitely everything that I got are so nice and they look really. Alright guys, that brings us to the end of this video. I do really appreciate every single one of you guys for watching it all the way to the end. Go ahead in the comment section, let me know which dress, which accessory you guys like best, and which one you also copy for yourself. Don't forget to let me know also in the comment section what company you want me to review next to you. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, MrstitosTv. Follow me on TikTok, MrstitosTv, and also on my Facebook, MrstitosTv. So guys, I look forward to seeing you guys over there. Until next time, remember to live your life like no one is watching, because God got your back.